In today's fast-paced world, your home office deserves a printer that keeps up with your demands. Enter the HP OfficeJet Pro 8135E, a powerhouse designed to elevate your productivity while keeping sustainability in mind. With lightning-fast print speeds of up to 20 ppm in black and 10 ppm in color, this wireless all-in-one printer is perfect for creating professional-quality documents, presentations, and more. But it's not just about speed. This printer is packed with smart features like automatic duplex printing, a 225-sheet input tray, and a 2.7-inch touchscreen for seamless navigation. Plus, it's built with the planet in mind. Crafted from over 45% recycled plastic, stay connected with reliable dual-band Wi-Fi, and enjoy the convenience of HP's Instant Ink service, which delivers ink to your door before you run out. Ready to transform your home office? The HP OfficeJet Pro 8135E is here to make your work life smarter, faster, and greener. Brand name: HP Connectivity Technology. Wireless USB, Ethernet printing technology. HP Thermal Inkjet. Special feature: Forest First product with HP+. FSC certified packaging. Contains ocean-bound recycled plastic. 45% post-consumer recycled plastic. Recyclable through HP Planet Partners. HP Instant Ink eligible. Automatic document feeder, touchscreen, quiet mode, print over VPN with HP+. Color: light cement. Model name: new version, printer output. Color: maximum print speed. Color: 10 ppm. Max print speed monochrome. 20 ppm. Item weight: 17.6 pounds. Product dimensions: 13.29, dx 18.12, wx 9.17h. Controller type: Android. Printer media size maximum: 8.5 x 11.7 in. Power consumption: 4.45 watts. Included components: HP 923 setup black ink cartridge, HP 923 setup cyan ink cartridge, HP 923 setup magenta ink cartridge, HP 923 setup yellow ink cartridge, power cord, regulatory flyer, ink caution flyer, setup poster, reference guide, print media, scanner type: flatbed one-sided ADF, max input sheet capacity: 225, max copy speed black and white, 12 ppm. Display type: touchscreen. Compatible devices: smartphones, PC, laptops. Maximum color print resolution: up to 4800 by 1200. Optimized DPI on HP Advance. Photo paper 1200 by 1200 DPI. Input dots per inch. Sheet size: 8.5 x 11, 8.27 x 11.7, 8.5 x 14, 7.1 6 10.12. Maximum black and white print resolution: 1200 by 1200 rendered DPI dots per inch. Color depth: 24. Dual-sided printing: yes, maximum copies per run. Up to 99 copies. Wattage: 100 watts. Initial page print time: 18 seconds. Max copy resolution color: 600 by 600 DPI. Max copy resolution black white: 600 by 600 DPI. Duplex. Automatic, standard. Hardware interface: USB, Ethernet. Ink color: black, cyan, magenta, yellow. Resolution: 4800 x 1200. Additional printer functions: all-in-one. Model series: 8130. Printer ink type: pigment-based ink. Memory storage capacity: 512 megabyte. Item weight: 17.6 pounds. Manufacturer: HP. About this item: from America's most trusted printer brand, the OfficeJet Pro 8135E is perfect for home offices printing professional quality color documents, like business documents, reports, presentations, and flyers. Print speeds up to 10 ppm color, 20 ppm black. Upgraded features: fast color printing, scan, copy, fax, auto two-sided printing, auto document feeder, and a 225-sheet input tray. Wireless printing: stay connected with our most reliable dual-band Wi-Fi, which automatically detects and resolves connection issues. HP app: print, scan, copy, or fax right from your smartphone with the easiest-to-use print app. 3 months of ink with HP Plus activation. Subscribe to Instant Ink Delivery service to get ink delivered directly to your door before you run out. After 3 months, monthly fee applies unless canceled, and you save up to 50%. Protects your data. HP Wolf. Essential security bolsters security and helps keep your network protected from cyber threats. 2.7-INCH. Touchscreen. Quickly navigate your printer with a large color touchscreen and a phone-like user interface. Sustainable design. Made with more than 45% recycled plastic. This printer is intended to work only with cartridges with original HP chips or circuitry, and will block cartridges using non-HP chips or circuitry. Periodic firmware updates will maintain the effectiveness of these measures. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.